then that way she can expand, her audience, expand her client base maybe, and then bring in more money so that she can invest more into hiring more people. But I think that that's a really good point. Thinking about ways when you get to a certain point that you can actually collaborate with other businesses that will help your business grow.
Yeah. I love that. So I keep thinking about insurance, but in no way does insurance help in this scenario, right? Like it doesn't, there's nothing you can do about, is there something you can do when you're exhausted and you feel like if you get into spaces like these where, is there a way to protect yourself in this way? Where it's like anticipating you not being able to be on the job?
Yes, the insurance that covers you if you're not able to work for a certain amount of time. There's what we call elimination period, where there's a time where your policy is already in place, if it's a life insurance policy, and whatever it is, if you want to take a break from paying your policy, you want to take some money out to use for yourself because you need time off, or you want the money to pay for either the rent of the place or like income. Again, it's just being proactive and having it set up already. Then you can pull from it and take a break. Say, I'm gonna take a break this month. I will call my insurance company. They'll send me. I'll get a check already. So that's like a payment to for my expenses and my salary for that time. But again, is being proactive and getting it set up before, so that you can actually benefit from what you've set up, right? But yes, it
Mhm.
is. There's so many things that can be done. It's truly like a Swiss Army knife when set up properly. It's a game changer. So it is a game changer. Yeah.
I love that. So, the best thing about this program for me, and if you're just joining us, because I see some people coming in still, you are rising with us. We are the Rise Podcast. I am joined by Dr. Lene Javette, Shalay Camilo, Aisha Verzi. I am Sierra Williams. I'm also known as Miss Black Hollywood. And today we're just talking. We've got some dear rise letters, and we're just kind of talking about what we would do in this scenario. But the blessing in these conversations is that it just allows me to process business differently, like differently. If I'm not thinking about insurance now, every scenario I get in, I'm gonna be like, wait a minute, can insurance help me with this? Instead of just thinking from the surface, like we talk about all the time, or you've mentioned several times during this podcast, how if you are an entrepreneur, you already have the spirit where it's like you come up with a good idea and you like, let's go. Especially if you run towards it. It's like sitting for a couple of seconds and hearing Dr. Lene in my head going, don't do that. Don't do that way. Don't do that. Or so I love this. I love all of the perspective that you have to say, y'all. Are y'all ready to move on? I think we got time for one more. Y'all ready?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
we.
Okay. All right. And if you are in the chat and you are enjoying, please give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying. And also, I want to know, in these situations, have you been in these situations before? And what did you do? See, I see some thumbs up already. What did you do and how did you come up out of the situation? So let me know. All
There's a
right.
Q&A. There's a Q&A in there. Do you see the Q&A question? There's a
I
question.
I don't. Do you see? I don't see it.
Yeah, so I was gonna address, so Annie Jeffrey left a question, and it's
Ah.
around taxes. And I was gonna mention it to you, but
Oh, I see the Q&A. Y'all know
there,
this is new for me. Oh,
yes. So Rise is real estate, insurance, stocks, and entrepreneurship. So we don't necessarily have tax conversations. No one in these conversations as of right now, thus far, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, who's to say we might not add finance and tax later.